Welcome to our channel. Vizio SmartCast TVs come with built-in apps, but you can add more through various methods. Follow these steps to expand your app collection on Vizio TV. Step 1. Press the V button or Home button on your Vizio remote to open the SmartCast home screen with all available apps. Step 2. Navigate to the app row at the top of the screen where you'll see pre-installed apps like Netflix, Hulu, and other streaming services. Step 3. Scroll through the available apps using the arrow keys. Vizio TVs have a limited app store compared to other brands, so selection may be restricted. Step 4. If you don't see the app you want, use the built-in Chromecast feature. Download the app on your smartphone instead of directly on the TV. Step 5. On your smartphone, download and open any Chromecast-compatible app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 6. Connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network as your Vizio TV for casting to work properly. Step 7. Open the app on your phone. Look for the cast icon, usually in the top corner. Tap it and select your Vizio TV from the device list. Step 8. Start playing content on your phone, and it will automatically stream to your Vizio TV through Chromecast, expanding your content options significantly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.